There are things in life that you want to have, but you actually don't need it. And then there are things that you don't want to have, but you do need it. And there are other things that you maybe didn't even knew that existed, but you definitely should have it. And I don't know, is the Fly More kit for the DJI Mini 3 Pro one of those things that you actually need? I should say yes and no. Let me explain. The thing is that if you have invested in a DJI Mini 3 Pro or any other drone, there must be a reason for it. And I assume that the reason is that you would like to have a flying camera. And to be able to fly, the drone needs power. And the power is coming from the batteries. The DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with one battery. And well, that maybe seems like a lot of time, 30 minutes flight time, but it's actually not. And before you even know it, you are maybe running out of juice, and then you are on your way back finding this thing that you really would like to capture. Let me try to illustrate that with this canal. Look here. Here we have this canal that is coming out here, and you can see the ocean is opening up in a close distance. This is a little bit how it is to have just one battery to your drone. You can get this far, but can you actually go out on a big ocean and enjoy and capture what's outside there? That's why you need more batteries. With the Fly More kit, you get 2 more batteries. They are definitely running more than 2 batteries. So with the Fly More kit, you're getting 2 more batteries. And that gives you an astonishing 1.5 hours of flight time. And that's gonna make enormous difference. That's why you need, or do you, the Fly More kit. And then when you get back and you need to recharge your batteries, well, then your Fly More kit got your back as well. With this 2-way charging hub. You just put your batteries down into it, like this, and you plug the cord in the in port in the back with a USB-A, USB-C cord that you actually get with the Fly More kit. And then the battery starts charging in sequence. It starts charging one battery first. When that is full, it goes on and continue charges the next battery. And that's how it continues. But let me talk a little bit more about this charging hub a little bit later. And now when you watch this far, do you mind giving the video a thumbs up as well? And when you're on it, just hit that subscribe button also so you can see the videos that I haven't uploaded yet. And in the Fly More kit, you also get 2 more sets of the propellers, and together with the pair you got when you purchased the drone, then you have in total 3 sets of propellers. So I'm not stretched out my flying capabilities with 2 more batteries, and I can fly out over the ocean. I'm not stuck in the canal anymore. And then the most disappointing part of this Fly More kit is this case or pouch or bag or whatever it's supposed to be called. I mean, it's nice. It has some compartments inside. You have a little thing here where you can store some cables and props and other things, and it's nicely divided, but I was expecting something like this maybe. This is a really rugged case that withstands some forces. This is the one that came with the initial DJI Mini. Everything is neatly organized. You have space for your charging hub and everything. And even though we have a little pocket at the back of this pouch or bag, I don't know. It's not going to protect my drone the way I want it to. What I probably will go for instead is the Nanook case that is going to be custom made for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's not available while this video is recorded, but when it is, I promise you to drop a link to it in the description box below. I mean, what do you think? Is this nuts to go around and... Who knows, I'm maybe gonna use it, I don't know. It's just disappointing. If I knew back then, when I ordered this kit and the drone, what I know now, would I get this Fly More kit? I don't think so actually. I think I would probably go for the batteries, 2 batteries and 2-way charging hub. When this video is recorded, the price for the Fly More kit for the DJI 3 Mini Pro is $189 US. And if I instead buy the batteries and the 2-way charging hub separately, The batteries cost, let me see, each battery costs $65 and the two-way charging hub costs $49. And if I would like to invest a little bit more to this spicy assortment of accessories, I can get another pair of props for $9, and that will bring this up to $188. That means that I would save $1, and I could put that to my Nanook case instead. So now it's up to you. Do you like this pouch? And would you use it? Well, then the Flymore kit is the right choice for you, because you can't buy this one separately. So it's a little bit exclusive to the Flymore kit. But if you don't care about this one, well, then just buy the batteries and the charger separately. And the charger, I told you that I should get back to that charger. So what you can do here, that is that in the inner port, you plug in the charger, of course, when you're going to charge these batteries. The out port, the USB-A here, that's where you can plug in your charging cable like this. And you can plug the other end into maybe the remote of the DJI Mini Pro, because that one needs some batteries also. And then you charge this entire package at the same time. That is great. And you can charge maybe your phone or something else that needs to be charged. The two-way charger will prioritize the internal flight batteries first, and it will charge the one with the highest power level first, and then when the flight batteries are fully charged, then it will charge an external connected device. If you would like to prioritize and charge the externally connected device first, then just push and hold the button for 2 seconds. The flight batteries will then be charged whenever the externally connected device is charged, or when it has been charged for 4 hours. If you would like to switch and then prioritize the charging of the flight batteries again, then just push and hold the button for 2 seconds. You can also use the charging hub as a power bank. Just add one or more flight batteries to the charging hub, and then connect the device you need to be charged to the out port. The battery with the lowest power will then be discharged first. If the input to the charging hub is lower than 5 volts 2 amps, then the USB-A port might be disabled and it will not be able to charge anything that is connected. So I would recommend that you use the 30-watt DJI charger that you can find on DJI's website. I'm going to put a link to that one below. I almost forgot. I promise you, in the comment section of my previous video where I did the unboxing and review of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, I wrote that I have hidden the Easter egg in that video. No one has found it yet when I post this video. Go back and watch that video and you can see if you can find the Easter egg. So go on, watch it. Okay, I'm not gonna wait for you to watch it, but you can go back and watch it. And then pay attention to the first 10 seconds where I have that little cinematic intro of the video. And then watch the drone that is flying up like this. What drone is that? Go back and watch again. I'm so surprised no one has seen that one. So what you're gonna do next after you watch that video, then you're gonna click on that video on that side, because that is the video that YouTube recommend you to watch next. And the video on that side, well, that is the last uploaded video I have. I'm looking forward to see you one of those videos. Over and out from Sweden. Bye.